Hey guys, welcome to another new video where I'll be giving some tips. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so everyone, before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, share it with your friends, and the most importantly, click the bell icon for notifications. Now, in this video, as you can see by the title, we are going to everyone is going to learn how to import content in paint 3D. This is my first video on paint 3D. So import content from 3D viewer, which is another app. In It comes inbuilt. I don't surely know which computers it's come, but I think it's Microsoft Paint 3D. Yes, it's Microsoft Paint 3D. Anyway, so in this one we are going to learn how to import a Mars rover, which is in a 3D version, and we'll edit the backgrounds and etc. Anyway, first we have to click on this option over here. First we have to open Paint 3D obviously. Then we have to click on the option called 3D library. You can click it, and here we can choose actually any product. There are many products like space. So we'll be doing now Mars Curiosity rover. So I just click on it and it is loading. See, it has come. So good. Next, I can resize it. This is actually importing content from 3D viewer. I can change it because it is 3D. I can change. No, this happens to 2D shapes too, but definitely this one doesn't have it 2D shapes. So I can do it like this, and I can change the direction a little bit, meddle with the direction a little bit. So that's all okay, I think. I think I'm gonna pop it a little bit. Yes, this looks nice. This style. Where is it? Come on. Nice. This looks nice, doesn't it? Mars Curiosity rover. Anyway, to give it a spacey feeling, that's just one of my new words. To give it a spacey feeling, we'll just go on to effect, click on the sun option over here. We just click on black. So it looks like it is in space now. And we can also change its colors, but I like it the way it is. Like, I know we can change it, but the problem is it won't get multicolored then, like the way it was. See, it's not looking nice, according to my opinion. See, it's looking nice, but not so impressive. And here's the undo button. I'll undo the option. Yes, this is looking authentic Mars Curiosity. We can add text in it, like over here, for example, Mars Curiosity rover. Curiosity rover. See this looks nice enough. Anyway, we can select it, change. We can convert it into 3D text. I think it is okay with 2D. Mars Curiosity rover. I think we're gonna go with this 2D text. We can change the font size, Showcard Gothic, and let me give it as something a little sci-fi, maybe science fiction. Which one should I give? This looks nice. Rockwell, maybe. Maybe this one. This looks the greatest. Sci-fi, science fiction. Okay, so this is Mars Curiosity rover, and to select it, we can just select it and then move it as we wish and do whatever we want changes. We can also add some stickers and textures. We can add some stickers. Suppose I wanted to say like this. So like this just. Why isn't it getting added? See? This has come. So it is looking nice. And another thing which we can do is that we can zoom the size of it and see the smaller details which we want. We can also crop this. Suppose I don't want this much extra space. Here, it's cropped. I can just click enter and exit. And we can also choose other shapes. So this was mainly for tutorial of Mars, inserting a Mars Curiosity rover or inserting a 3D viewer, and we can also do many other things. So those I will be not discussing it now, but so for this video it was a really short video, but for now it's this much. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.